Hi, my name is Presh.
Sawadika, my name is Pinruchai. I'm his mother.
So this summer is really special to us because we're going to be opening our first restaurant at the Thai Town Marketplace. It's called Poke Please, and we're going to be sharing 2 family recipes with you. So the first dish is going to be our take on a traditional Thai dish called khao kha mu. We used a pork shoshu made with pork belly. We roll it up into this beautiful meat parcel. So you have like a slab of pork, you just roll it up, and then you take twine and you tie off one end, and then you keep moving down, tying up the pork belly until you have it all the way through. You want to make sure that it's tight, otherwise it'll fall apart when it's boiling. So after the pork's all tied up, we just quickly sear it in the pot. So the broth has a bunch of different components. We start off with sake, mirin, soy sauce, and then we add brown sugar, star anise, coriander, black pepper, and then after that we add crushed shallots, whole garlic, and then crushed ginger. And we steep it overnight. But if it's you're out of time, you can do it in like 4 to 6 hours. Once it's nice and cool, we take it out of the fridge and we slice it, and then we sear it. So you can either use a really hot pan or a torch if you have one. We prefer using the torch just because it gives it a nice, beautiful char right on the outside.
Yeah. When it's popping, it means
it's frying.
Fried.
Yeah.
It's done. Yeah. It's good.
Next, we're going to teach you how to make the sauce. So we start off with pekinu or bird's eye chilies. We put in an even amount of garlic, fish sauce, sugar, and lime juice. So you can do this like in a food processor or a blender. You're just going to start off with a bed of rice. You're going to put pork chashu right on top. And then right on top of the pork, you're going to put the Thai chili lime sauce. And you can top it off with sesame seeds or green onions or really anything you want. After that, you're gonna add your soft-boiled egg, and that's how you make our version of khao kha mu. Our next dish is a Thai lab. We have adapted it and made it so that it tastes really good with raw fish or sashimi. Well, first off, we start off with toasting all the dry ingredients in a pan. The spices we start off with are dried Thai chilies. We also use shallots, lemongrass, coriander, and garlic. Once you've toasted all those ingredients, you're going to want to put them into a food processor and blend them until they're smooth. You're going to set them on the side for a little bit, take a pan, and you're going to cook Thai shrimp paste. You're going to add some oil and throw in all that stuff that you got from the blender or the food processor. By the final stage, it should be almost like a paste. Today we're going to be using salmon. I personally love salmon. You want to make sure that it's this nice, deep color. You don't ever want to buy fish if you're going to eat it raw if it smells fishy. So we're cutting it lengthwise, so you're going to be cutting it against the grain. After that, you're going to cut it into cubes. I personally like kind of big cubes, but you can cut them as small or as big as you want. Put in a few spoonfuls of that lab sauce. You're going to mix it in, and then you're going to throw in cilantro, mint, and we also put in something called
Cocktail. It's like a bamboo leaf, but it's smaller, it's softer.
You are just going to put it over a bed of rice. I personally like topping it off with fried garlic, fried onions, and then some more green onions on top. And then we garnish it with some thinly sliced radishes. And that's how you make our lab poke.
So good.
Super good.